Hey everyone, today I'm gonna do another unboxing video. This is an unboxing of a package that I just received. There's a few cars in here. I know there's a lot. Just try to get this off. Open the box up. Hold on 1 minute. There we go. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay. What is this? So this is a Wrangler. A Jeep of some kind. This is the Plymouth. I know this. This is the Plymouth Roadrunner. Now let me just try to empty all this out. Ugh, can't get out. Do a subsequent video for those. Just pack this really well. Okay guys, let me get the rest of this stuff out and I'll be back.